Today I'm going to show you how to make a fresh fish crudo with crispy capers, some pickled fennel and shallots, and some labneh on top. Step 1, we're going to pickle the fennel and then the shallots. Fennel is in season right now, but it's available year-round at Faro. Then we will make the little pickling juice. So we've got half a cup of orange juice, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and the juice of 1 lime. Thinly slice the shallot and we'll add that to the marinade. Crispy capers, oil. Oil is your friend. Pop them in, take a step back and let them crackle away. Italian parsley, set that aside. Now, I like to use a nice fresh white fish, and while we're in luck, Faro gets fresh fish 6 days a week. I'm using teriyaki, and now we assemble. Start with the fish, or fish. Pull out pickled fennel and shallots, dot that around Labneh balls, which is actually strained yogurt made into balls. Some fresh dill sprigs, capers, and that, my friends, is one of the best little crudo dishes you're going to have this summer.